Hello, welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I would like to share with you the recipe for biscuit cake with whipped cream that you can make very practically. So let's get started. I take 2 packs of whipped cream powder in the mixing bowl. Then we add 2 cups of cold milk on it and whisk it until it gets a thick consistency. You can use ready-made whipped cream, of course. Then, let's add 1 small pack of baby biscuit on it by crumbling it and mix it well. We will use a rectangular Pyrex. Let's get some milk in the bowl. See, as you can see in the video, let's dip the chocolate petit beurre biscuits in the milk. I used a total of 450 grams of chocolate petit beurre biscuits for my cake. After soaking the biscuits in the milk and lining them, let's spread about 1/3 of the whipped cream on it. Let's put the second layer of biscuit on it by soaking in milk again. Let's spread the second layer of whipped cream on it again. And now, for the last time, let's wet the third layer of biscuit and place them. And spread the whole remaining whipped cream as the third layer and the last. And let's adjust it well. Now we're gonna cover it with plastic wrap and put our dessert in the fridge. We're gonna keep it in the fridge for at least 2-3 hours. Let's take half a pack of baking cream in the saucepan and heat it up. I'm gonna add 100 grams of dark chocolate on it. We just need to heat until the chocolate melts. Let's take it from the stove and mix it well. We are gonna spread the chocolate sauce we have prepared on our dessert. And now we are gonna put our dessert in the fridge again. The longer we keep it in the fridge, the more delicious it will be. I let it wait in the fridge again for about an hour and cut into slices. You can decorate it as you wish. I wanted to decorate it with coconut and grated chocolate. It's very practical and very tasty. Look, it's very soft as you can see in the video. The consistency was also great. I hope you will try and like it too. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.